Hello friends, my name is Manmat Biradar. Welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we are going to discuss a very important chapter, that is geographical indication tag, and it is very important because we are going to learn this what is GI, that is geographical indication, and for which agri products and for which food products this is given, and what are the challenges and what are the business opportunities. These are we are going to discuss today. And first of all, please, I request you to please subscribe my channel, and please also the like button, and also hit the bell button if you are watching this video first time. So let us start, friends. What is geographical indication? So if you are all new this subject, then we will first discuss what is GI. Actually, geographical indication is a very important thing that we have to learn. See, geographical indication, actually it is a term that is concerned to, that is related to that geographical area. Actually, in Indian law, that is intellectual property law, it is given the IPR, that is intellectual property right protection law, is actually the geographical indication tag. Geographical indication is actually located, actually it is concerned with that location, quality and reputation related to that actual area. So if we are going to take the example of Darjeeling tea, then we can find the actual area where you can see the geographical integration. Actually, GI is very specifically defined in the Article 22.1 of the trade and related aspects of intellectual property rights. That is TRIPS. TRIPS means, it is very important that the geographical indication tag is a figurative representation. Figurative, or it can actually be a specific name of that area location also, like Nashik grapes. If the Nashik grapes are famous, then this is given to that area specific, and that product specific, like grapes. So this is called the geographical indication. Now next, next we will learn the authorized users can use this to prevent from making this any duplication or anybody using it wrong. The only authorized users can use this tag, like I have said Nashik grapes, or you can say the Ratlami sev, the food stuff. These specific areas can be used. These people also only can use this specific tag, and that is why it is the geographical specification. So the authorized users also can use this area, and hence this is the authorized users can prevent anybody from using the GI tag on products. So this is important because see, there are many more people in the market that can use this unauthorizedly, this GI, and they can duplicate this product with less quality, and hence this GI tag can be used by the local area specific people only, and this is very important. Now the GI tag can be used by the region specific residents, like saffron Kashmir. If the saffron is being taken, is being grown in Kashmir, and there only you can use the GI tag. So this is very important, and hence the GI, that is geographical indication, is the tag which is area specific, which is the crop specific, and which is very importantly quality specific. Actually, this tag means the quality. and hence the GI tag is stands for quality, and hence it is important that the duplication of this tag should not happen, and that is why the GI tag is given for that specific product. Now we can see here for which area products this GI tag is given in India. So the GI tag may be obtained for agricultural products, for handicraft products, for textiles, manufactured goods, and foodstuffs. These are the many more areas where this GI is obtained. Actually, we are today discussing only for agriculture and this foodstuff products. Actually, more than 300 items have been accorded till now with GI tags in India. Handicrafts are at number one, and it is followed by agriculture products and food products. And it is more than 100 actually GI tags has been given to this various area of agriculture GI agriculture products. So actually these 100 can be actually you can say that these are quality products, and you can do a very lots of business with these 100 products. These are quality products. Actually it is having its own geographical quality, and it can also be given to actually distributed to many more areas. The quality product can be distributed, and it can gain, the local area product can gain a lot of money, lot of business with this area. Because if we take the example of Darjeeling tea, suppose, then that has the capacity to grow the business, and it has the specific area specific name like Darjeeling tea. Also we have seen the Kashmiri saffron, like that. So that specific area product is very important, and it has the uniqueness and quality in that product, and it has the capacity to grow. So if we think then agri product, many more agri products like chili, brinjal, these are the vegetable products, even onion, tea, coffee, coconut, cashew, these are the many more products there are in agri that are being given the GI tag. So even cardamom, pepper, ginger, turmeric, bay leaf, these are some products which are being given the GI tag. In fruits, you can go for mango, citrus, banana, even the elite clone of fruits like grape, pineapple, lychee, strawberry, guava, kokum, even fig, custard apple. These are all products which have been allotted the GI tag by the authority. Because see, the if you see the specific crop like custard apple, the custard apple is having its own quality, and it is grown in Marathwada area in Maharashtra. So that specific area is having a very good we can say climate for growing that custard apple, and hence the area specific name is given for that product, because it has a good quality, and it has its own geographical you can say identification, so that it is given the name. So if we go for the foodstuff products, if we go for foodstuff, like the list of GI tagged foodstuffs in India is there, and it is, you all know that Tirupati Ladu. These are very quality Tirupati Ladu, and these are not actually manufactured, cannot be manufactured anywhere. The quality is there unique, and the product is very specific, and that is why the GI actually given for that Tirupati Ladu. Even Bikaneri Bhujia, all you know, that is also important. Ratlami Sev, Hyderabadi Halim, and even the Bandar Ladu. The various area specific products, foodstuffs has been prepared in that area, and that has been given the area specific name, because these are the products of foodstuffs that cannot be duplicated and cannot be even prepared elsewhere, and that is why this name is given. And so it has its own geographical value, and so this geographical indication is very important. Now, after that we will see the what are the challenges actually in this geographical indication products. Actually, these GI products are basically very quality product, but happens is that the duplication or unethical marketing practices for this GI tag food stuff and GI tag agri products can happen, and this actually is the main threat for these products. Because see, if these products are duplicated somewhere else and these are given to market, then the quality of these products cannot be the same as the original, and hence this is the main threat, and this can undermine the purpose of GI tagging. See, GI tagging is given for like a trademark. It is a mark for quality, so it can be undermined, it can be actually given into problem. So GI tagging as having this main threat, and hence the absence of effective post GI mechanism. Actually, GI is given for that product, but if we do not take care of the post mechanism, actually post market, then it has a big problem. See, if area specific, if we talk about the specific product of Kashmiri saffron, then if that saffron product is being taken in Kerala or in some area, some other area, and it is given the name of Kashmiri saffron, then it is a big problem. So it is a big challenge, and it should be catered in a specific way, because this is a major concern, and hence this problem is there. This is the one challenge, and the second challenge is a lack of forward linkage to the reach customer. Today, if we are going to have a very great market, very good market for our specific area specific product, that is GI tagged product, then we cannot get that, because we are not in India are having that much forward linkage facilities like transport facilities, or even we are not having any forward linkage facilities like you can say for fruits and these agri products there requires a cold chain, and we are not having these facilities in India, and that are the major challenges for this GI product actually in agriculture. So that is one challenge. Now we will discuss the important business opportunities for this GI product. Actually, these GI products is a indication of the quality, as you know all, because that area specific quality, that if we say the Ratlami sev, that sev cannot be prepared in anywhere in India of that quality, but actually, and hence that is the reason why the business opportunity is there. You can, first of all, it is important that you can go for the franchisee model of that area specific product, GI product, and you can sell that online, you can sell offline, and you can have a very great product, so that you can give to the customer and you can make money. And this is the first opportunity, very importantly, because you can do any GI product you can take in your city, and you can actually brand it, and you can do your business at a great level. So and secondly, this is very important that your adequate promotional strategy should be needed, because there are many more products in GI indication and this thing, but actually it is lacking that we do not promote, and hence their problem lies. The popularization of this GI tagged products is very low. Actually, many less people knows that this product is having the GI base and GI tagged. That is the reason why the GI specific products in today's days and age also, they are not so much popular, and that is an also there is a big business opportunity. So these are the area of concern, areas of business opportunities we have discussed. Also we have discussed today what is GI and which products of and agri and food product stuffs are having the GI tag actually. So thank you friends for watching this video, and please subscribe my channel also. Please like the button, and thank you friends for watching this video.